I've got some brass shims or brass spacer washers that I need to machine down. That one there would zero the vernier, or zero the caliper rather. This one here is 0.36 thicker, and we want to slightly undersize, so I need to machine 0.4 of a mil off that. Now holding that is going to be a little bit of a problem. So what I'm going to do is something that I've done it before. It might work, it might not work. The idea for mounting it is to basically super glue it onto there, machine it in the lathe, and then heat it up, which softens the super glue and it should fall off. I've done this before. We'll clean these faces up, get it glued together, and have a go at machining it. What you want is a magnetic table that'll stick to brass. Right, so to roughen that face up so it should. Right. Right, so I've got some high strength super glue off the fingers because it sticks to fingers like it's going out of fashion. I'm going to clamp it onto there. Let it stand for 10 minutes and then machine it. I'm just going to clamp it in between those two bits on the milling machine. A little bit of weight on. We'll give it 10 minutes and then we'll see if the machine will work. Right, it's had 10 minutes for the glue to go off properly. A really sharp cutter with a new tip in it. I'm standing well out of the line of fire. Just want to touch this off, just barely touch it. Right. I've zeroed the DRO, so we'll take point. There's 0.1. Point 2. Point 3. Right, 0.4. That worked fairly nicely. Happy with that. Yeah, I'm quite happy with that machine. We'll warm it up now, so we can get it off there. Oh, John, man. This is not working as expected. Bloody hell, that's got a decent hole in it. fix it. Right, so that works. That has an amazing grip, that. 1 down, 3 to go. Once again, it's just time to say thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing. As always, a massive thanks for all the well wishers that have been coming in, basically regarding me and my bloody mental health. I keep banging on about this. It is important that lads just don't want to talk about it and they bottle things up with disastrous consequences. So if me keep going on about this makes one person go and get the help that is there, it's all been worthwhile. Anyway, thanks for watching.